What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon Deck coming at you guys with a brand new video, and today we're doing a little POV video in the R, bro. Haven't done this video in a while. Haven't done any kind of these videos in a while. So we're doing a little POV drive, just going me, you, and the road. Just got off of work right now, so that's why I am in my work clothes. Broke that guy's neck. I don't know if y'all seen that. But yeah, man, we're going for a little drive. Let me make sure that the angle's good. The angle good up there, y'all. A little bit better. Anyways, man, I'm just here for the vibes. That's it. If you guys are tuning in, you guys are new to the channel. God, I can't speak today. Hold on. If you guys are new here, and if you guys are new, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 4K. We're trying to hit 4K by the end of the year. Let's try to make that a goal for us, guys. We got a lot of things coming for the Type R. Emily. If y'all didn't know, I did name her Emily again. I just thought it was right, man. Got a lot of things coming. I got the coilovers coming. They should be here within the next, hopefully within the next month or so. Hopefully not anything longer. I do want an exhaust. I think I did mention this in the last video. Let me know, like, before you guys do anything, let me know what kind of exhaust I should get for this car, because I'm kind of interested. A lot of people I know are gonna say, what's the one with the black diamond tips? What company is that? I forgot already. But I personally do want to go Grady DDR. That's the exhaust that I've been wanting ever since I had the SI, obviously. So I think they're on a back order right now, so I can't even get them if I wanted it. But that's the one I'm looking at right now. That Grady DDR. We're gonna go Hondana on this vehicle. We're not going to anything else. We ain't going to K-Tuner, bro. We're going to Hondana. We're gonna run freaking Parametrics. That's just the way it be. That's just the way it is. We're running Parametrics on this thing. Yeah, I never really told you guys the overall, my full plans with this car. It's just kind of been like, I got the car and then we're gonna get to it. But obviously there's overall plans that I want to do with it. You know, this is my dream car. This car I've wanted for a very long time, so kind of get right to it, man. I do want the car to be a little bit wider. I know the Type R is wide already, but I just want to go wide body, man. I seen the Varis kit for it. It looks freaking dope. It looks amazing. It looks super nice, bro. Like, y'all can't tell me. I'm gonna put a picture up here that doesn't look nice. And bro, what? Golly, there's just this car is so aggressive from every angle. It's crazy. But yeah, I do eventually want to go wide body. That's probably talking like the near future. The first thing I want to do first is honestly get some power out of this thing. I want to be comfortable with 500s on a stock body. You know, obviously we're probably gonna have to build a motor, maybe build the trans. I really don't know too much about any of that stuff. If you really have to build both, obviously for the SI you definitely do have to build the trans and the motor if you guys want to build some power. But the Type R, I mean, I really don't know. There's more research for that to do. I know some people are making like 450 on stock block. Obviously bigger turbo and all that other stuff. I know the restrictions of the fuel. There's restrictions on that, so we're just kind of looking around, man. But yeah, I do want to run, hopefully get into the 500s. If I have to build the motor, you know, I definitely want to do that. But definitely be comfortable with the 500 mark. If we get more, we get more. That's just it is what it is. But yeah, I know initially at first I did want to track the car. I'm still debating if I do, obviously, because I mean, you get a Type R, you kind of want to track it, but kind of at the rate that it's going right now, I don't really know if I want to track it anymore. Maybe just get kind of a different car for that kind of scene. Maybe like an S2000 in the future or something, and track an S2000. But for this car, I just kind of want to, you know, just keep it like a show car, I guess you could say. You know, there's a lot of people that I know right now that are just killing it in the game. Just to name a few people off, like Jeb CTR and Kazuo, and I think I said that wrong. I'm not looking at it, but even like, ooh, the Rolls Royce right here. Drake, is that you, Drake? Drake? Hey, the guy tell me Drake? He is definitely driving somebody that is not his car. He's wearing a suit. He definitely has to be. Oh, there's, yeah, somebody in the back. There's another Type R that I seen like today that was like gorgeous, dude. Like there's a YouTube video of one too. Like, dude, there's just so much things you can do with this car. It's amazing. It's very fun to see. Very nice to see. To me personally, I feel like the FK8 club is definitely bigger than the SI was. Type R people just got more things to do. So we're banging up, you know, making this thing a show car. Obviously you can make a track car a show car, but you can't make a show car a track car. I don't know if that's true or not, but you know, it's just what I've heard. So Anyways, kind of moving on. It feels good to be recording again. I made videos. I made these three last videos. Like, I've been having a lot of fun doing it. So just, I'm back, man. I'm back on the grind. We're trying to hit 4K. I'm gonna have my vision board up soon. I want to kind of get that done. My girlfriend did get me the like the board itself, but I need to make the board. I've been kind of a little lazy on it. I've just been, you know, lazy with everything, and it just kind of, you know, just kind of really been lazy this year. I'm not gonna lie, and you know, that just goes to show, like, you know, the numbers definitely do show. Compared to last year in like numbers wise and everything, I think we got like 230,000 views last year. Versus this year we're at 60,000 and we're only halfway throughout the year. That just goes to show, like, I've been really lazy this year, guys, and I do apologize on that. You know, I haven't been living up to my expectations, and I understand that. And you know, that kind of took a little bit of a, like, that's why I took this month break a little bit, I guess you can say, to kind of reiterate and make sure, like, this is what I want to do. You know, is this what I want to grind for, and is this it? So you know, just thank you guys if you guys are still supporting from day one. I mean, from the day you guys first watched. You know, if you guys are still subscribing, thank you guys so much. If you guys cop the merch or the clothing brand, just thank you guys so much. You know, it really means a lot. You guys have no idea. You know, when you guys buy merch, it's one step closer for me to, you know, quit my job, and it's just, you know, I just gotta keep grinding it out. So it's been a lot of late nights, a lot of late nights, and just kind of thinking and just trying to get everything going, you know. And even in the last video, I did talk about, you know, having a team for all this, not just for the merch side, but like for content wise. You know, obviously the last video was my girlfriend. She's doing stuff to her Accord. We're definitely doing stuff to the Type R. You know, I want to get a lot of people, maybe like a Subaru on the channel. You know, I'm just in love with cars right now, man, and just to be able to bring some friends along and just stop thinking like I need to do this myself is just, it's gonna help out so much. So if you guys are excited for a team, I do have some people that I want to bring in to the channel. So if you guys are excited for that, make sure you guys hit a thumbs up. Let me know you guys want to see it. You know, not just my channel, but just everything, man. We're Dagger Productions for a reason. We do everything around here. So just thank you so much. You guys are literally helping me build a dream and just have a dream. I know we're only at 3,200 subscribers, but you know, it's a long way from zero, man. From last year to jump into the algorithm and to see what it could be and what my life could turn into is crazy. So like I said, I was just a little bit lazy this year, but I do apologize. This year I plan to be a little bit better and just have some more fun with it. So I hope you guys are ready for that. I hope you guys are ready for the adventure. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be insane, man. Like I said, I just hope you guys are ready. You know, I'm talking to a lot of YouTubers behind the scenes, trying to get some more collab videos on the way. Obviously, like I said, I asked Chris Borges to a race, man, and you know, we'll see what he says in like a month or two. Maybe he's still down, maybe he's not. Oh well. Cameron Hill, I talked to Cameron Hill a little bit. You know, I want to do something with him. Obviously the OG Fong VOG, he's been on his clothing grind and on his sticker grind, on his company grind, and just getting that side back together. So can't wait to see that man back on the road. Kempster just got a Supra, one of the guys I used to look up to in the scene. I just got a Supra, so that's freaking dope. But yeah, man, we got a long way to go. So like I said, if you guys are a fan of the channel and you guys made it for a while, thank you guys so much. But if you guys are brand new, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, man. We're trying to get to 4K. Fuck, that shit's got me hyped just thinking about it, you know. So just thank you guys so much. Obviously we got the Type R, we're hyped about it, we're turns about it. There's a lot of things we want to do to it, but it just starts with just grinding, man. Just grinding, get what we want, get what we want to be. So I'm gonna end the video here, man. I know I'm just kind of ranting a little bit, but man, honestly, just follow your fucking dreams, dude. You know, if you have something that you want to do, stop letting like other shit take control of you. That's what I was doing, like literally in the beginning of this year, the past 6 months, which is why I got lazy, is because I just let my 9 to 5 control me, because I kept thinking about money. Like I kept saying that I needed money, but I didn't really think about like my future of all this stuff, like what I could have. So like I said, man, I do apologize for getting lazy on the videos, but you know what, we're back, we're grinding. I just hope you guys are ready for what's to come. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, man. Subscribe if you guys have not already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Maybe I should do a little pull, huh? A little pulley boy. The Rolls Royce behind us. Little pulley. We'll do a little pulley boy in the time. So I'm gonna let it roll until we get back over there. So I'll see you guys in just a bit. Little Lamborghini Urus. Little Lambo boy. Sheesh. I don't know if he was recording me, but I was recording him for sure.